In this question, we have a loan of $45,000 bearing 5% compounded quarterly interest being repaid after a period of deferral. The payments being made on this loan are $2,550. Those equal size payments occur over the span of 12 years. Let's try to determine the time interval between the date of the loan being taken from the bank and the date of the first payment. We're going to break this question down into two parts. First, let's try to find the principal amount or present value of the annuity due. So we're going to take our payments of $2,550. Let's enter them in as negative since we're going to be paying off this loan. These payments are happening quarterly, so let's take PY to be 4. We have an interest rate of 5%, also compounded quarterly. We know that at the end of this term, the future value should be 0. We're trying to find that PV value, so the last thing we need is a value for N. If we have quarterly payments over the span of 12 years, we know that N should be equal to 48. Let's begin with our value for N, and then moving over, we're going to program in our interest rate and head into the submenu to ensure that both of our PY and CY are equal to 4. Next, we're going to input our equal-sized payments as well as 0 for our future value, and then we should be able to now compute the principal amount of this particular annuity. So the principal amount of this annuity comes out to be $92,770.59. So in part 2 of our problem, we need to figure out how many compounding periods it takes for us to grow the initial loan of $45,000 up to that future value of $92,770.59. Here we can apply the formula for N from our usual compound interest section. What we need to do is we need to take the logarithm of the future value, which we're taking as the 92,000. We need to divide that by the initial loan amount of 45,000, and then divide that by ln of 1 plus I. Simplifying that expression gives us N is about 58.2. So what we need to do is we need to round this up to N is equal to 59. And then if we want, we can apply the N is equal to T times F formula. If we put in 59 for N, and we know that we are compounding quarterly, we should be able to solve for T by taking 59 and dividing by 4. And doing that division gives us 14.75 years.